Krutika. Today I'm gonna make wall hanging. So let's start making it. First, we need scissors, fevistick, and a stick, thin stick, and artificial flowers, and one. So let's start. And we need the white paper. So let's start making. First, I'm gonna show you how to make it. First take one white paper and we'll keep it on like this, and we'll take the feather stick like this and keep the feather stick like this 2 times. Just take this. Okay, we should keep like this and we'll press it like this. Okay, we'll keep like this one stick, and we'll keep this glue here and on this also. We keep it for 2 layers because it will be steady. Okay, now it's done. Okay, now we'll cut this stick. Like this, 6 sticks. Now we'll make like this 7 sticks. Okay. Now, how variation do? Okay. Like this. Okay. Like this. Now. We'll keep this feather stick on the sticks here. See? Like this, on this, and here also. Okay. Like this. Sticks and okay, now we'll keep here 2 sticks like this. Okay, now we'll keep this stick here. Okay, now we keep this here and this goes off this. On this, like this. Now we'll cut this and also. Okay, now we'll keep here this another stick. we should keep here this 2 sticks like this and this 1 stick here. With the sticks like this. Now we will stick this flowers like this. Flowers. Okay. Now keep this Fevicol. Like this. See? Like this. And we'll keep this flower here. So we should shape this flowers like this. Okay, like this. We should stick. This one also like that. Okay, I stick this flowers like this. Okay, now we'll keep this white flowers on this edges. Okay, now here also. Okay, now we'll keep this red color flower here on the top. Okay, see like this. You have to stick this flower like this. Okay, now we need this heart shape. Now we need this heart shape also like this. See, now heart shape. Now we need to cut thin strips. See, like this. Now you have to stick this heart shape. Now we'll cut this into half. See? Now okay, now we'll stick this heart like this, and on the another one also have to stick. See, like this you have to stick. Now this 2 1 you have to keep here. See, like this one, and another one also we have to keep like that. You have to stick like this 2 papers here. Now this we have to make another strips with papers. Okay, now make like this. have to stick this thin one here. So we have to stick this another one here. Now we'll cut this here. Now this wall hanger is ready. See? If you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to Ivy Navy channel. Bye. Bye.